This year marked our 23rd annual Hot Rod Power Tour, presented by Chevrolet Performance and driven by Continental Tires. In 7 days, thousands of participants traveled over 1,400 miles to 7 different cities on this week-long adventure.
It's a car guy's dream. If you haven't done it, it should be on your bucket list.
People from around the world made their way to the start of our 2017 Hot Rod Power Tour that kicked off at Arrowhead Stadium in Kansas City, Missouri. As participants poured into the venue, we found just about every type of car one could hope to see. From gassers to muscle cars, early models to late models, and of course, the freaks. Power Tour creates a rare sight for locals to see. Lines of the hot rods cruising down the back roads of Middle America on their way to iconic venues. But this isn't a stroll down to the local car show. We're talking about putting antiques to the test by traveling hundreds of miles per day.
It's a car show at every stop, car show all down the road, car show at every hotel.
Once participants arrived at each venue, they were treated to a car show, huge vendor midway, giveaways, on-stage entertainment, a dyno, autocross, drag racing, burnout competition, and more.
So here, Gateway Motorsports Park, they have a sick little dirt track. We just got permission to rip it up.
At the last stop of the 2017 Hot Rod Power Tour in Bowling Green, Kentucky, we celebrated the group that traveled with us through all 7 stops, the long haulers. For many of these participants, a lack of AC, power steering, and the other modern comforts on this week-long adventure makes this group some of the most die-hard gearheads on the planet.